Hey friends, ever made an AI character that looks awesome, then totally different the next time? So annoying, right? Don't worry, I have got you. In this video, I will show you a super easy trick to keep your characters looking the same every time using ChatGPT. Stick around. Consistency is just a few clicks away. Let's jump in, blast off. Alright, the first thing we need for our story is a main character. And to get started, I jumped straight into ChatGPT. I gave it a few instructions. The character's name, gender, age, what kind of clothes they wear, how they look, and a few extra details in the form of template to bring them to life. In just a few seconds, ChatGPT turned all of that into a clean, well-structured prompt, ready to use for image generation. Now normally, you could take this prompt and plug it into any image generation tool like Midjourney, Leonardo, or Pika Labs, and it would work great. But here's the cool part. I am going to show you how to do all of this without even leaving ChatGPT. So here's what I did. Right inside ChatGPT, I clicked the Create Image button, pasted in the exact prompt it gave me, and boom! My request went straight into the image rendering queue. A few moments later, there it was. A fully generated image of the character I had in mind. No costs, no hidden fees, and absolutely no watermarks. If you look at the top right corner of the image, there's even a download button, so you can save it straight to your device. Super easy. Now let's zoom in and take a look. Every little detail I mentioned, from the character's hair color to their outfit and even those tiny accessories, it's all there. Perfectly captured. And just like that, our first mission is complete. The main character is ready to step into the story. Now that we have got our main character ready, it's time to build a story around them. So, back to ChatGPT I went with a few inputs in hand. The topic, theme, location, number of scenes, overall story duration, and some extra details in the form of template to give it depth. Once I hit the action button, boom! In just seconds, ChatGPT whipped up a full short story, complete with scene-by-scene prompts for image generation and narration scripts for each part. So far, we have created our main character and the story itself. Now let's tackle something super important. Keeping our character consistent throughout the entire story, doing it all right here in ChatGPT. I started by copying the prompt for scene 1. Now, I want our main character to actually appear in this scene too, not just some random version. So here's what I did. I clicked on the little plus button at the bottom left of the prompt box, then selected Add photos and files from the drop-down menu. I chose the character image I had saved earlier and uploaded it. Once it was uploaded, a thumbnail of the image popped up in the top left corner of the prompt area. Super handy. Next, I clicked on Create Image, pasted in the Scene 1 prompt, and let the magic happen. Because I added our character's image as a reference, the AI now places them right into the new scene with the same style, same outfit, same look, but in a completely new pose and setting. I clicked the action button, the request entered the queue, and within moments, there it was. The scene was fully rendered, and yep, just like before, the free, no watermark download button was right there in the top right corner. Take a look. Our character is stretching and smiling as she steps out of a cozy farmhouse. And thanks to this golden little trick, we have got the exact same character with all their original features appearing consistently across different scenes and actions. So, there you have it. Consistent characters, seamless storytelling, and all of it done right here inside ChatGPT. Alright, let's jump back into our story and move on to scene 2. I have got the image generation prompt for this scene ready to go. And of course, I want our main character to appear here as well. Doing something different, but still looking exactly the same. Consistency is key. Just like before, I hit that little plus button at the bottom left of the prompt box, select Add photos and files, and upload the image of our main character from my hard drive. Now, I click Create Image, paste in the Scene 2 prompt, and I hit the action button, and the rendering begins. A few moments later, done. And yep, the free, no watermark download button is right there in the top right corner, ready for you to grab the image. Take a look. This time, our character is now feeding chickens on a small farm, living their best story life. Still the same familiar face and style, but now in a totally new moment in the story. And just like that, we have nailed it again. Scene 2 features the same consistent character, perfectly matched from the first scene. Alright, time to bring Scene 3 to life. I have got the prompt ready, crafted specifically for this part of the story. And just like we have done with the previous scenes, our main character needs to appear here too. New action, new setting, but the exact same look. That consistency is what ties the whole story together. So, here we go again. I click on the plus button in the bottom left corner of the prompt box, select Add Photos and Files from the drop-down, and upload the character image I have been using all along. Next, I hit the Create Image button and paste in the prompt for Scene 3. Then, with one click on the Action button, the rendering begins. A few seconds later, it's done. And yep, you guessed it. The free, no watermark download button is sitting right there in the top right corner, ready for you to save. Now, let's check out the result. In this scene, our character is watering sunflowers in a peaceful little garden. It looks completely natural. Same face, same hairstyle, same clothes, same vibe. Nothing has changed except the action and setting. And that's exactly what we want. A consistent, professional level character that feels like they truly belong in every moment of the story. And just like that, you now know exactly how to create each scene using the same method. If you have been following along, we have already crafted 3 unique scenes, each one featuring our main character with a consistent look, style, and vibe. Pretty cool, right? By now, if you have been reading the full story script, you will also notice how seamlessly the narrator's lines are integrated into the storytelling flow. It's all part of the process, building something that feels smooth, immersive, and professional. Now comes the fun part. It's time to take all these beautifully crafted images and bring them to life using one of those image-to-video AI tools. And to top it off, we will turn our narration script into a real voiceover using text-to-speech AI. So, your story not only looks great, it sounds incredible too. If this tutorial helped you out or even sparked some new ideas, hit that like button. And if you think someone else would find this helpful or inspiring, go ahead and share this video with them. But most importantly, if you haven't already, subscribe and smash that notification bell because what's coming next is on a whole different level. We're just getting started and the future of AI storytelling is about to blow your mind. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.